Hey, what's up, Aaron here? Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you're probably checking out the Amazon Associates affiliate program, and maybe you're wondering, is this legitimate? How much money can you really make? Okay, let's check this all out. Or are there better ways to make money online? Let's check it out right now. At any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $10,000 or more 100% from home, just click the link right at the bottom and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different strategies to make money online. Some of them are good, some of them are so-so. A lot of them, though, are big wastes of time. So let's check out Amazon Associates to find out whether this is a good affiliate program. Is this a good way to make money online? It's very popular, but is it a good use of your time? Maybe there are better ways out there, right? So Amazon obviously doesn't need an introduction, right? Amazon is one of the largest e-commerce platforms in the world, and literally you can come here and just buy pretty much anything that you want, right? Everything from books to electronics to pharmacy products to literally anything, medical care, gift cards, things like that. And the cool thing is that if you come to any one of their products right here, once you join the Amazon Associates program, you can grab a link for literally anything, like their pillow right here, any of the decorations, maybe one of their iPhone accessories or whatever it is. And when someone clicks from your affiliate link, you can actually generate a commission, which is very, very cool. Okay, now let's talk a little bit about how this actually works, how to get signed up, and what the commissions are, and whether this is actually a good thing to do or not, right? So if you just head to affiliate-program.amazon.com, or you can just Google Amazon Associates, right? You'll find this page right here where they've got one of the largest affiliate marketing programs in the world. That means you can just sign up with them. You can grab a link from any of their products, and when somebody buys from their products, they will send you a check in the mail for selling their products. It's very, very simple, right? It's actually really, really easy. It's one of the biggest and oldest affiliate programs out there, and a lot of bloggers and a lot of people that have authority websites generally will talk about Amazon Associates. Also, a lot of YouTubers, if they are doing content and they want to sell something online, like maybe their camera equipment, or maybe the tripod they were using, or maybe the light they were using, right? Or other YouTubers that are just kind of selling anything, they will basically lead you to their description in their comment section, and a lot of the time they're Amazon Associate links. All right, and so it's a pretty cool way to generate a little bit of extra money, right? But let me explain the pros and cons with the Amazon Associates program. Okay, so when I started as an affiliate, I was doing that. I was making YouTube videos, and anytime that I had a reference to a product, I would just get people to check out the comment section below, the description below, so they could click on my Amazon Associates links, right? But what a lot of people don't realize is that even though Amazon Associates is one of the largest and oldest affiliate marketing programs in the world, and you've got access to a lot of different products, the big problem is not that the products aren't good on Amazon. The problem is the commissions that they pay out. Okay, so let me just head over to the commission section. And this was before I really understood what it took to become a very wealthy affiliate, or an affiliate that generates a lot of profit. Okay, because there's a big difference between making a tiny little bit of money as an affiliate, or making full-time income, life-changing income, and really making it your main business, right? So here, let me show you the commission rates for Amazon Associates right here. All right, and the majority, I want you to just see this, okay, is basically here. All right, so everything within, I would say, this section right here is really where you're going to make most of your money. All right, so even though they say they've got commission rates up to 20%, for the most part, you're not going to make 20% commissions. You're going to make basically between 2.5% commissions and 5% commissions. Okay, so let's cover this. It's really small right here. Let me just kind of zoom in a little bit so you can see this, right? But you can see right here, basically anything from digital music, physical music, handmade digital videos, physical books, kitchen, automotive, Amazon Fire devices, all the electronics basically, private label, luxury fashion, apparel, smart TVs, Amazon TV devices, the Echo, rings, watches, jewelry, luggage, shoes, handbags, accessories, right? Toys, furniture, home improvement, lawn, pet products, headphones, musical instruments, business supplies, outdoor, PC components, DVDs, televisions, basically everything. Essentially, right? They're only going to pay you between 1% and 5% commissions. Now, for the 10% and 20% is basically luxury beauty, luxury stores, and Amazon games. Okay? Now, for the most part, as an affiliate, you're not going to be selling in these two categories right here. So the chances that you're going to make 10 or 20% commissions from Amazon affiliates is very, very rare. All right. The majority of what you will make is basically from here, which is nothing if you really think about it. Let me do the math for you on this. And this was before I even understood, how affiliate marketing really worked. Okay. I'm going to grab my calculator right now. Okay. So let's just say you're going to sell, a lot of the products that you'll sell within this range, like if you're talking about toys and books and luggage and shoes and apparel and stuff like that, they will all be usually about $50 or below. Okay, so let's just say it's a $50 product, right? And you're making what, let's just say 3% on something times 3%. What is your commission rate on that? It's $1.50. Okay, now I want you to think about that for a second, right? If you're selling a $50 product and you're only making $1.50 in commissions, how many units of that product do you need to sell to make $10,000 a month in profit as an affiliate? Okay, so all it is, it's just 10,000, 123 divided by $1.50, right? You basically have to sell 6,666 units of whatever you're selling, a book or a home supply or baby products or whatever, in order for you to make $10,000 a month. Now let me ask you this question. Do you think that you can make over 6,000 sales a month? Let's divide it by day, divide it by 30. You have to basically make 222 sales a day of $50 sales, making 3% commissions to make $10,000 a month. It's almost impossible, right? And that's why most affiliates that are selling Amazon Associates products are just basically not making any money. All right. Now let me give you this is a true story, right? When I was doing Amazon Associates selling and I was making YouTube videos and I was doing okay, right? I'm a pretty decent YouTuber. I've got 40,000 subscribers on my channel. I'm not millions of subscribers or anything like that, right? But for an entire year that I was selling Amazon Associates products. Now, I wasn't really focusing on this. It was just kind of like a by the way, right? People can click on my description below. But for a whole year, I made like $80, okay? And they sent me a check in the mail. And when I got it, I almost wanted to throw it in the bin because it was just an absolute waste of time compared to what you can make in affiliate marketing if you understand where to focus, okay? So, I think that the Amazon, okay, let's put it this way. Amazon is a great store, all right? I think that, coming here, buying products from here, it's really good. They're one of the best e-commerce platforms in the world. I think, though, that their affiliate program is pretty rubbish. I think it's one of the worst out there. And I think that because they're such a big name, a lot of brand new beginner affiliates don't really understand that they actually pay really nothing. All right? And you saw just now from the calculations right here that, for you to make $10,000 a month in profit, or actually in commissions revenue, you'd have to make over 200 sales a day of an average price product, which is basically impossible. So unless you have already a very, very big authority channel, so let's just say you're already established, right? Maybe you've got a camping website, maybe you've got a movie website, maybe you've got a travel website, maybe you've got a weight loss website that is already getting thousands and thousands of views. That means you're not a beginner already, right? You've got thousands of people coming in, and you can just make a post about a camping equipment, and you can link a couple of Amazon Associate links for this camping bag or this fire starter or tent or whatever. Then be my guest. I think that is still a really cool way to make a little bit of commissions, right? But because you're already established, you've got so many of people coming in, then it's easy to make sales. Or if you're an influencer, maybe you're a TikTok influencer, maybe you a YouTube, Instagram influencer, you got millions of followers, then it's very easy because you can come onto TikTok, you can make a video and you can just make a throwaway sale. You can say something like, I love this bag, I bought it from Amazon. If you want to check it out, check out my Amazon link. And you've got thousands of people that will buy it. You might make a few $1,000s just from that video alone. But if you're a beginner, if you've never made money online with affiliate marketing, if you're trying to start and maybe you got some course that's teaching you how to build an authority website, or maybe you want to build out a YouTube channel and sell Amazon products, that is a huge mistake. Okay, because basically you can make money from Amazon, but the question is, how much money are you going to make from the program? If you're just getting started right now, their commissions are so low that it is unlikely that you will ever make full-time income with the program. If you're already a huge marketer and you've got huge reach, big websites, a lot of volume of people coming to your websites, or you're a massive influencer, then this is like a throwaway sale. You can just mention it in one of your videos, or you can write an article and link to Amazon products. That's okay. So I would say that the associates program, it really depends on what stage of your business building career you're in. If you're just getting started, I don't recommend it at all, because I think for a beginner affiliate marketer, there are much better affiliate programs out there compared to the Amazon Associates program. If you're very established already and you just want to throw away sales and whatever, just kind of an easy promotion, just to make it, a little bit of commissions, then sure, I would go ahead and use the Amazon program, because they've got access to a lot of products that you can just kind of link into your very well established following, if that makes sense. Okay, so if you are the latter, someone who's experienced, and you're not using Amazon Associates, you can just come here to their program and sign up for it, right? But if you're a beginner, stick around and let me basically show you exactly what you should be doing instead, or what you can be doing instead of earning measly commissions like this. All right, commission rates are really, besides leads and traffic, the lifeblood for an affiliate. If you're being paid shitty commission rates, right, it's very difficult for you to make $5 or $10 or $15 or $20,000 a month in commissions. All right, you don't want to have to sell hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of products a day for you to make big commissions. You just want to sell a few products a day. All right, maybe 1, 2, 3 products a day to make $10,000 a month. And it's possible. It is possible when you understand where to look. Okay, I hope that makes sense, right? I hope you enjoyed this video today. Okay, I hope you got some value from it. If you are an affiliate, or if you're looking to start affiliate marketing, you don't know how, remember, on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds of strategies on how to do that. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. Now, out of all of them, there is one affiliate strategy that I love, right? And I think it's the best way for you to go from zero to your first $5,000 to $10,000 a month, and it's not going to require you to make hundreds of sales a day. If you would like to check out that strategy, this strategy changed my life. I quit my full-time job because of it in 2019. I 5 times my old corporate salary, and I teach it for free right at the bottom link. You can just check it out right below if you want to check it out. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this review of Amazon Associates. I wish you all the best. See you on another video review. Take care.